Hello everybody. So I have a Tonic haul. I have the monthly craft kit, and then I have the stuff that I got from Cyber Week. I thought this stuff from Cyber Week was going to be more, but we'll see how it is in 2 envelopes, but I don't know. I thought a box, but it's not. So I guess I didn't order as much. I've been doing really good. All right, let's look. First, let's look at the goodie bag. Well, you want to see the kit? It's a cracker, but it's also a box. You can use, just make the box. Let's see what we got in here. So we have a glitter pen. It says glitter gloss, so that means it's clear. We have bronze medal, glacier paste. I love bronze. Oh, these are our foils. We have copper mine, and we have polished gold, and we have these 2 little things. I've never used these. I don't know too much about how they work, but we'll see. We will see. We'll play around with them at some point. Okay. And just to go through here real quick and show you. There it is. It's a cracker. This tells us what's in here. There's Merry Christmas, Christmas wishes. The sentiments in here are beautiful. All right, let's look at the die set. And we got some foil rub-ons. So I think of this as part of the goodie bag, the envelope. So yeah, some rub-ons there. Let me see, how many did we get? Or, no, I think we add the foil on these, like they're sticky or something. I don't know, but somehow we foil them. That's why we got the foil. So 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all the same. All right. Normally, most of these companies do not do Christmas this late in the year, but Tonic, I guess, got a lot of requests for Christmas this late in the year, so they did it. Personally, I would have rather had maybe Valentine's, but it is what it is. Okay, there's my sticker. I'll stick that in the bottom of the box. Here's my dies. So we have peace, and we have a background for that. We have the love. We have plenty of foliage. You. No, that's joy. I don't know why I thought you, but that's joy. Okay, and then we got select berries to go with the holly, and makings for the box. We have Noel with the shadow background. More makings, more makings. This must be for joy right here. There are stars. There are like a plaid looking thing. And of course, makings for the box. That looks like not very many makings for that box, right? It works. And 2 with them, a lot of times they use more than 1 die for, they use 1 die for more than 1 thing. That's what I'm trying to say. Let's look at the card stock that we got. I like their card stock very much. So we got card. And then flipped it over so you could see I don't know if you can see, but there is two different colors. There's a lighter and a darker. It just depends which side you have it flipped to. Okay, so that's the craft. This gold is a beautiful gold. I don't know what it's called, but it will be written in this booklet. Let's see. Copper mine. Does that mean look like? No, that's copper mine in the mirror. Where's the glitter? Welsh gold. Beautiful. Okay, and then this is pearlescent cosmic copper. Beautiful. Luna silver. Here's the mirror. Copper mine. That's copper mine. And then classic espresso brown. That is a pretty color brown. I really like that pretty brown. That's pretty, pretty, pretty. And then more mirror in chrome silver. And then we have that mirror card was the Harvest Gold, and this is the Copper Mine. That's got to be it. Let me put these back in here. Now we were what we really think of for Christmas colors, right? That's all right though. All right, that's the craft kit. Now let's go on to what I got for their sales. Wonder why I can't get that to shut right now. Like, that should not be so thick. Or maybe it's the way I got it in here. I'm just taking that out. Now it will. I don't know what was going on with that. I was just wrapping some presents and I made a box for one of the items and then I went to put the lid on and the lid didn't want to go on. I was like, what in the world? And it had something to do with however I had put the thing in, the package or the gift in. And okay. Okay, whatever. All right. So this is Scrumptious Sweet Cart die set. See, they came, it was a whole, I think, set. Pretty, I think it's going to be pretty. And then we have Terrific Triple Towers die set. Like, this doesn't feel like nothing, but this one feels kind of different. Like there's a magnet or something in there. I don't think, usually it doesn't come that way. No, it must just be the way it's arranged on the paper, but so there's the tower, so we'll have to make one of those. The windmill, isn't that awesome? Awesome, awesome. Okay. This is from the Stamp Club. And if I can open it. I'm not going to try to save that because it's too hard to open. I wish they didn't put it down so hard. Okay. This is the little bears. Big bear, you give the best. Thank you. I love you. You're sweeter than honey baby hugs. Very much. Little bears, big bear, hello. And then the die cuts. And what would you make with that? A log, of course. Layers of layers and layers of log. All right, and then, you know, branches and, you know, all that, that's there. So I do like the Stamp and Die kits of the month. They're, I'm not of the month. They don't have them monthly. I don't know when they have them. I don't know how you get them. I only ever get them in the sales, and then usually they have a really good price. So and then, see, this is how that envelope should be too, just like that. Same thing, this is a Stamp and Die, and this is Picnic. Look at the basket, isn't that pretty? The picture has some lemon floating around in there. Little wine bottle, wine glasses, blanket. It's all good. Okay, that's that one. And let's find out what's in the other envelope. Oh yeah, the boxes. I had to, you know, I just had to. They're very pretty, right? It just dies. But yeah, so we're gonna do this. Some of, if not of, but not really sure about the booty. But this, especially gingerbread man, is just too cute. Okay, and then, right, Enchanted Dwellings. I love that little mushroom. A tennis shoe. Old boot. Timeless teapot. This one's not named. We'll call it Enchanted. Enchanted Dwelling. Look. Just too cute. And I think maybe that's why it was separate. This is part of this. So they give you that to store it in. Why didn't this one come with one? Maybe this one came with one, not this one. Why did they pick what they picked? Only comes with one magnet. Oh well. All right. That is it for my tonic. Look at the little bow. Oh my goodness, look how cute. Okay. All right, everybody, if you like my videos, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you join me again. Bye-bye now.